Hello, trading is closed on February 6, 2020. We had a record close today with quotes around record. People who remember old record players know they came in three speeds, 33, 45, and 78, and that's our close. Never get a chance to say that again. Look for the pattern with the early high. We got that. Tomorrow has the early low. This price target did not print. The target stays, but because we gapped up, the time was taken off the table before the open. Still should print at some time. Rallied all day, gapped up, higher highs, couldn't hold them at the close. Not good. Either we gap up tomorrow or lower prices print. Early on, we had an ultimate sell signal with an optional higher target. We got all we had to get. We got the optional higher target, but almost always this gets undercut pretty soon. That means almost always we undercut 33, 35, 94 tomorrow. MEJT said this rally was false and wouldn't stick. We got a sell signal. Ignore the rally. Target was hit. This looks like trouble to me unless we gap up. Today's high is a FEB target of a prior consolidation. It's also a point where these trend lines meet. That's price. There's also time. Here's George Lindsay's low to high, right at today's high. So we have price, so we have time. Now, of course, other prices work and other times work. But if you combine this with the lower targets and the failure to hold on to these highs, you can see why the bulls have to clear this promptly, ideally by gapping over it. They want to keep going higher. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Normally it's a bullish day with a high in the final hour. If we drop early, though, the day tends to be negative and to be followed by further weakness. Time and price balance at today's high. We have to gap up and take out the high promptly, which would kill the call, or else I think today's high is going to hold at least for a few days. The employment report tomorrow is a wild card to move the market, impossible to predict with certainty how it will move. But breadth isn't confirming the advance as we showed yesterday, and as someone else was kind enough to point out to me today, down volume today exceeded up volume. I always like learning from other traders. This is something someone taught me today. We're going to learn some more later on this evening, probably after 7, maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock Eastern Time. We have a guest analyst with a great track record who's been doing this for a long time, has a great track record. He'll go over with you and make some predictions. I hope you'll enjoy it, so stick around, and later on tonight we have part 2. Tomorrow's market has the early low. The employment report's the wild card. If we get down, there could be trouble a brewing, and that's today's call.